Hey, what's going on, guys? Tonight I have my buddy's car, 2004 Impala. I'm doing a bunch of stuff on. Right now I'm going to start tackling the right rear wheel bearing because the ABS light is on with a current code for the speed sensor, and the speed sensor is unfortunately built into the wheel bearing. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we have the brakes disassembled. This is what we're replacing. Back here, if you see this connector, this is for the wheel speed sensor, which is this whole piece. So now if you look inside these holes, we have 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3, and 4. We're going to undo those and then pull it out. Obviously you can't just pull this thing out of here. A nice little trick is to take an old rotor, since we're doing brakes on this car. We're going to use this one, put it on inside out, and put a lug nut on it to keep it on there. Now it's nice and tight. You can take your hammer and beat it off. Alright, so the new one's all in. Everything's nice and tight. This is your parking brake. It's a nice horseshoe on this. It just slides down into a little clamp, and that's your adjuster for the parking brake shoe. On the back side, there's 2 T30s that you have to disconnect for the hub to come out, because the adjuster sits in front of it. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and let us know what you actually want to see. Right now I have some other stuff going on as usual. Very busy guy. I have brake lines on this car. The rear brake lines rotted out on this C300. So to make my life a little easier, I pulled the whole rear subframe out. If you want to see that process, maybe you don't, maybe I won't even upload it. But make sure to comment, like, subscribe, guys, so I can keep doing videos.